It's Monday, so that means it's time for another Festival Fest.
Yeah, one thing we know for sure is that we never, ever, ever know what's going to happen. Right, Kate?
Let's do it.
You know what time it is? This for all y'all haters, y'all doubters, all y'all fakers. I bring the pain. Every day. 20.
You speak even.
7.
Ow. No.
Oh, you want some? Let's go.
What was I doing? Hi, everybody. This is Festival Fest, and no Channel 2 employees were injured further in the making of this episode. Festival Fest is a thing I do where I talk about things to do in Western New York. I do it on Monday because people get grumpy on Mondays. I bring my chair because you never know when someoenone's gonna challenge you to a race.
Let's go!
We are starting at one of the most beautiful places in Western New York, Letchworth State Park. It is holding its 43rd Letchworth Arts and Crafts Show. It is happening October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Admission is free, but it is $10 per car to get into the park. It's a bargain when you consider the scenery. This is one of those moments as a Western New Yorker where you're reminded of how much you enjoy all 4 seasons. The Great Pumpkin Farm is holding its annual pumpkin drop. Look out, it is also hosting a pumpkin carving contest. So get your knives and head out to Clarence. Hey, also happening, the Experience Psychic Fair in Hamburg. Who knows what the future holds? Besides the people at the Experience Psychic Fair in Hamburg. If you missed anything, go to our website, WGRZ.com. If I missed anything, it's probably because I was chair racing in front of the building. So that's on me. But don't forget that Festival Fest is still the greatest thing to happen to Monday since the 3-day weekend. And now the official Festival Fest chair is the greatest thing to happen to Twitter since the app sign. My ride's here. I gotta go. Ah! This is a bad idea.
And you get paid for that, right?
I sure do.
Yeah.
At least I still think I do.
Heather's little, she hurt her foot.
She broke her foot.
Look at
Oh, look at
thing is, I took it for a spin. It has a great turning radius.
It's fast.
And it gets, seriously, it's fast.
Yes. We had to remind
great
ourselves
traction.
that we did not want to injure anyone further.
She said she's going to keep it because she likes getting around that way.
It's kind of fun, isn't
Really cruise on that thing.
Very good.
Bye, everybody. See you back here tomorrow on Daybreak.